Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at allowing a user to use the arrow keys to move around an object. To get going we'll need 3 layers. So I'm going to come down here to my layer panel and click the new layer once and twice. Let's call the first layer here background. Press enter when you're finished. Let's click the second layer. Let's call this fish, and let's use the third layer for the actions. So what I'm going to have here is just a picture of a fish, obviously with a background with water, and then obviously when I have it all done, the user will be able to use their arrow keys to move the fish around, ideally in the water. So we're going to come here to frame 1 of the background and left click to select it, and I brought my images in already. So I want to bring the underwater image in, which is quite big, so I'll have to resize it. Now ideally I can resize it, or I can check the size of what my stage is. So if you left click here on the stage and come to properties, it's telling me it's 550 by 400. So if I click my image now and come to property, I can set that to 550 by 400, so it's going to match the size of my stage. So I could just drag it over then. So that's all matching nice and tidy. Next, we're just going to lock the background. We don't want it to move. And we're going to click into frame 1 of the fish layer. I'm going to drag on my fish image. And again, there's no background on this. I've saved it as a ping, so I can bring it in quite nicely. What I need to do then is convert this to a symbol. Symbol 1 I'm happy enough with, and movie clip is the type of symbol I want, and I click OK. The next stage I have to do is give it a name in terms of the properties. So we need to give it an instant name in here, and the instant name I'm going to give it is fish underscore MC. And the last stage then I just have to go into actions, click on frame 1, right click and click actions, and I've got some code copied already. Okay, so obviously then if you've named it fish MC, name it that way in here within your action script as well. So if I close out of this and run my code, okay, and I use my arrow keys on my keyboard, it's going to move the fish around depending if you click up, down, left or right. So that's the end of my video on how to use the arrow keys to move an object. Thank you for watching.